In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack Notes. Think of notes as a quick conversational way to share ideas with your audience without writing a full newsletter post. They're perfect for updates, snippets of thought, links you love, or highlights from other writers you want to amplify. Let's start with how to create a note. On the web, head to your Substack dashboard. Click the Create button and choose Note from the drop-down menu. If you are on the Substack app, simply tap the plus icon to open a new note. That's your space to compose something short and engaging. The kind of post that feels like a friendly nudge rather than a long read. Now, what can you post? You have a lot of flexibility. Type a quick bit of text to share a thought or a question. Add an image to give your note a visual anchor, or drop in a video to make it more dynamic. You can paste links to articles, podcasts, or resources that matter to your audience. And you can restack, which is Substack's way of resharing another post or note right into your own feed, so your subscribers can discover it too. Here is also a powerful option called restack. Quote: when you find a compelling line in any Substack post, highlight that specific sentence and choose restack. Quote: Substack will create a clickable card that displays the quote and links directly back to the original source. It's an elegant way to curate ideas, credit the author, and add your commentary for context. A helpful approach is to include 1 or 2 lines explaining why the quote resonated with you or how it connects to ongoing conversations in your community. Engagement on notes is straightforward and effective. You can like a note to show appreciation, reply to start a conversation, or restack it to share with your own audience. Replying is especially valuable for getting discovered, particularly if you are a newer writer. Thoughtful responses signal your perspective, introduce you to adjacent communities, and encourage people to check out your profile. Keep replies clear, respectful, and specific. Adding a short insight or a follow-up question can go a long way. Before you publish, take a second to reread your note. Aim for clarity, keep it tight, and make sure any links or media add real value. Over time, use notes to build momentum between longer posts, gather feedback, and show up consistently for your readers in a lighter, more conversational way. That's it: simple, flexible, and built for connection. Thanks for watching.